Do you want to create AI animated videos like Hollywood-style scenes, but without spending a single dollar? Good news! Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make AI animated videos completely free. No paid software, no complicated editing skills, and no experience needed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a professional-looking AI animation from scratch, using only free tools. Every scene you want in your video needs a corresponding image. Tools to use: Leonardo AI, free daily credits, realistic cinematic images. Ideogram, great if you need text and images, titles, signs, posters. Canva, best for beginners, simple drag-and-drop AI image generation. Open Leonardo AI, select Image Generation. Choose a cinematic or realistic model. Write a detailed prompt. For example, cinematic young man walking in heavy rain, dramatic lighting, ultra-realistic, 4K, cinematic movie scene, emotional atmosphere. Adjust settings. Style, cinematic, photorealistic. Iterations, keep default for free credits. Click Generate. Create multiple images for your story. Scene 1, Introduction. Scene 2, Main action. Scene 3, Close-up emotional shot. Scene 4, Ending scene. Keep character consistency. Mention same hair, clothes, lighting in every Now we turn still images into motion. This is AI animation. Tools to use: Luma AI, best for cinematic animation from single images. ElevenLabs, fast social media style short videos. Open Luma AI, select Image to Video. Upload the first image. Write a motion prompt to animate it. Examples: camera slowly zooming in, wind blowing hair, raindrops falling, cinematic depth of field, subtle camera shake. Click Generate. It will produce a 4 to 6 second animated clip. Repeat for all images. A video without narration feels empty. AI Voiceover gives your video personality. Clipchamp, free tier, realistic voices. Go to Clipchamp. Paste Clipchamp, free tier, realistic voices. Paste your script. Choose language. Voice click. Save. And export in audio. Now combine animation plus voiceover plus music plus subtitles into a final video. Tool to use: CapCut, free, beginner-friendly, works on PC and mobile. Editing steps: import all animated clips. Place them in timeline order according to story. Import AI voiceover, sync with clips. Add background music, free tracks, low volume. Add subtitles, use auto captions. Add small effects. Light transitions. Pro tips: keep scene duration 3 to 6 seconds for viewer attention. Use subtle transitions, avoid distracting effects. Match music beats with scene changes, keeps energy high. Export in 1080p HD, 30 frames per second for smooth playback. And that's it. Your formula for free AI animation videos in 2026. Image, animate, voice, edit, upload. Now you can make faceless professional AI videos without spending a dime. If you learned something new today, hit subscribe for more AI video tutorials. Comment below what kind of AI video you want me to make next.